Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a smooth fade out transitions in CapCut Mobile. So first you can just add your your photos or videos that you want to edit and add two keyframes on each photos or clip like this, one at the start and the other one at the end. Okay. Then at the second keyframe of each clip, you can just go to opacity and lower it into 50, all of them. Okay, just repeat the steps like this. And after that, after you add all of the lower the opacity, you can just go to overlay, add overlay, and find a white overlay from the CapCut library. You can find it under the background in here. Add the white one in here. So adjust the size until it covers all of the clips and trim it to have the same length of each clip. So after that, go to animation and click on out. Add the fade out animation all the way like this. Okay, after that, just duplicate this white overlay for all of the edits, for all of the clips. Okay, now this is the result. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.